In the name of Allah, the most kind, merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum 8th class. Welcome to online class again. Hope you all will be fine. This is our lecture number 14 of English. And the topics we shall discuss in this lecture are: from English A we shall continue chapter number 5 Magic Show, and we shall do translation page number 28 and 29, then glossary of this chapter. Then from English B we shall do use of has, have and had. We shall do its introduction. First of all, we shall do chapter number 5 Magic Show, translation of page number 28 and 29. Here are the meanings. You have to write them on your book. Everyone, हर एक, absolutely, बिल्कुल, empty, खाली, nothing, कुछ नहीं, puts, पहनता है, everybody, हर कोई, borrows, उधार लेता है, handkerchief, रुमाल, audience, नाजरीन. Now, here is the paragraph. What is the magician doing now? He is taking the hat off his head. He is showing the hat to everyone. It is absolutely empty. There is nothing in it. He puts the hat on his head. He takes it off again. Lo and behold, there is a pigeon sitting on his head. Everybody cheers. Now translation. What? क्या? Is? है? The magician, जादूगर, डूइंग, कर रहा, नाउ, अब जादूगर क्या कर रहा है, ही, वो, इज टेकिंग ऑफ, उतार रहा है, द हैट, टोपी, हिज, अपने, हेड, सर, वो अपने सर से टोपी उतार रहा है, ही, वो, इज शोइंग, दिखा रहा है, द हैट, टोपी, टू, को, एवरीवन, हर एक, वो हर एक को टोपी दिखा रहा है, इट, ये, इज, है, एब्सोल्युटली, बिल्कुल, एम्प्टी, खाली, ये बिल्कुल खाली है, देयर इज नथिंग, कुछ नहीं है, इन इट, इसमें कुछ नहीं है, ही, वो, पुट्स, पहनता है, द हैट, टोपी, ऑन, पर, हिज, अपने, हेड, सर, वो टोपी अपने सर पर पहनता है, ही, वो, टेक्स इट ऑफ, उसे उतारता है, अगेन, दोबारा, वो दोबारा उसे उतारता है, लो एंड बीहोल्ड, लो देखो, देयर इज, है, अ पिजन, एक कबूतर, सिटिंग, बैठा हुआ, ऑन, पर, हिज, उसके, हेड, सर, लो देखो उसके सर पर एक कबूतर बैठा हुआ है, एवरीबडी, हर कोई, चीयर्स, दाद देता है, हर कोई दाद देता है. What is the magician doing now? He is showing his empty pocket to everybody. He borrows a handkerchief from one of the audience. He puts the handkerchief in his pocket and takes it out again. Lo and behold, there are handkerchiefs coming out of his pocket one after another. Everyone cheers the magician. Now translation. What? क्या? Is? है, द मैजिशियन, जादूगर, डूइंग, कर रहा, नाउ, अब जादूगर क्या कर रहा है, ही, वो, इज शोइंग, दिखा रहा है, हिज, अपनी, एम्प्टी, खाली, पॉकेट, जेब, टू, को, एवरीबॉडी, हर किसी, वो अपनी खाली जेब हर किसी को दिखा रहा है, ही, वो, भरोस, उधार लेता है, अ हैंडकरचीफ, रुमाल, फ्रॉम, से, वन, किसी एक, ऑफ द ऑडियंस, नाजरीन में से, वो नाजरीन में से किसी एक से रुमाल उधार लेता है, ही, वो, पुट्स, रखता है, द हैंडकरचीफ, रुमाल, इन, में, हिज, अपनी, पॉकेट, जेब, वो रुमाल अपनी जेब में रखता है, एंड, और, टेक्स इट, उसे निकालता है, आउट, बाहर, अगेन, दोबारा, और उसे दोबारा बाहर निकालता है, लो एंड बीहोल्ड, लो देखो, There are handkerchiefs, रुमाल है. Coming out, निकलते चले आ रहे. Of his pocket, उसकी जेब से. One after another, यके बाद दीगरे. लो देखो, उसकी जेब से यके बाद दीगरे रुमाल निकलते चले आ रहे हैं. Everyone, हर एक. Cheers, दाद देता है. The magician, जादूगर को. हर एक जादूगर को दाद देता है. Now, these are the meanings. Ring, अंगूठी. Someone, किसी. Palm, हथेली. Disappeared, गायब हो गई. Inside, अंदर. Tied, बंधे हुए. Rope, रस्सी. Innermost, अंदर वाले. Crowd, मजमा. Claps, तालियां बजाना. What is the magician doing now? He is borrowing a ring from someone. He puts the ring on his palm. He closes his palm and opens it again. The ring has disappeared. The magician has many boxes inside each other, all tied with a rope. Lo and behold, the ring is in the innermost box. The whole crowd cheers and claps for the magician. Now translation, what क्या is है the magician जादूगर doing कर रहा now अब जादूगर अब क्या कर रहा है he वो is borrowing उधार ले रहा है a ring एक अंगूठी from से someone किसी वो किसी से एक अंगूठी उधार ले रहा है he वो puts रखता है the ring अंगूठी on पर his अपनी palm हथेली वो अंगूठी को अपनी हथेली पर रखता है he वो closes बंद करता है his अपनी palm हथेली and और opens खोलता है it उसे again दोबारा वो अपनी हथेली को बंद करता है और उसे दोबारा खोलता है the ring अंगूठी has disappeared गायब हो गई है अंगूठी गायब हो गई है the magician जादूगर has हैं many बहुत से boxes संदूक inside अंदर each other एक दूसरे के all सब tied बंधे हुए हैं with से आरोप एक रस्सी जादूगर के पास बहुत से संदूक एक दूसरे के अंदर रखे हुए हैं सब एक रस्सी से बंधे हुए हैं लो एंड बी होल्ड लो देखो द रिंग अंगूठी इज है इन में द इनरमोस्ट सबसे अंदर वाले बॉक्स संदूक लो देखो अंगूठी सबसे अंदर वाले संदूक में है द होल सारा क्राउड मजमा चीयर्स दाद देता है एंड और क्लैप्स तालियां बजाकर फॉर को द मैजिशियन जादूगर सारा मजमा तालियां बजाकर जादूगर को दाद देता है Now we shall do glossary of chapter number 5 magic show. Now these are the glossary words anxiously, eagerly, बेताबी से, lid, a cover, ढक्कन, saw, tool for cutting wood, लकड़ी काटने के लिए आला, cheers, expressing good wishes, नेक ख्वाहिशात का इजहार, empty, containing nothing, कुछ भी नहीं, audience, listeners at a public event, अवामी प्रोग्राम में सामईन, borrowing, receive something as loan, बतौर कर्ज कुछ वसूल करना, palm, the inner surface of the hand, हाथ का अंदरूनी हिस्सा, amuse, causing laughter, हंसी का बायस, lo and behold, used to express surprise, innermost, most inward, सबसे अंदरूनी. Now we shall do use of has, have and had, its introduction. First of all, we shall do use of has and have. Simple sentences. In present tense, we use has, have when we show possession to anything or place. Possession means the fact that you have and own something. It means that when you are showing possession to anything or place, in present tense, you will use has, have as helping verb in the sentence. Has you have to use with he, she, it and singular nouns and have you have to use with I, you, we, they and plural nouns. For example, he has a knife. Which possession is here? The possession of knife. He has a knife. He is a singular, so we have to use has with it. I have a fine camera. Now here is I as a pronoun, so we have to use have with it. Now use of had. Simple sentences. In past tense, we use had when we show possession to anything or place. It means that when you are showing possession to anything or place in past tense, you will use had as a helping verb in that sentence. Had we have to use with he, she, it, I, you, we, they, singular and plural nouns. It means that we have to use had with all pronouns and singular and plural nouns. For example, he had a pen. We have to use had here because this is in past tense. The servant had 10 rupees. Now here we have to use had also because this is in past tense. The servant had 10 rupees. Now negative sentences. Whenever we make negative sentences, we use not or no after has, have and had. It means that we have to use not and no after the helping verb has, have and had. Now where we have to use not and where we have to use no, when we don't know the number of things, we use no after has, have and had. For example, the beggar has no stick. Now in this sentence, the number of things are not mentioned, so we have to use here no. When we know the number of things, we use not after has, have and had. For example, the horses have not 3 hoofs. Now 3 hoofs are mentioned, number of things are mentioned, so we have to use here not. Now interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we use has, have and had at the start of the sentence and we put question mark at the end of the sentence. For example, has the king a crown on his head? We have to use has at the start of the sentence because this is helping verb and we have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Have they some money? Question mark. Had the passengers tickets? Question mark. Now double interrogative sentences. In double interrogative sentences, we use why, who, when, whose, whom, where and how at the start of the sentence and then we use has, have and had and then we use subject and at the end we put question mark. It means that first of all we shall write interrogative pronoun, then helping verb has, have and had, then after that we shall write subject, then at the end we put question mark. For example, why have they a camera? First of all, here is interrogative pronoun why, then helping verb have, then subject they, then at the end we put question mark. Where has he a horse? Question mark. When had she a doll? Question mark. Now, negative interrogative sentences. In negative interrogative sentences, we use has, have and had at the start of the sentence, but we use not and no after the subject and at the end we put question mark. It means that first of all we shall write helping verb has, have and had, then after the subject we shall write not and no, then at the end of the sentence we put question mark. For example, has the beggar no bowl? First of all we have to use helping verb has, then subject, then after the subject we shall put no, then at the end we shall put question mark. Have they not 3 goats in their house? Had he not 5 books? Question mark. This is your home task. I hope that you have understood all the topics we have discussed in this lecture. Now I am signing out. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.